When starting a new blog, making mistakes is common. But what if I tell you even a basic blog mistake can keep you deprived of blogging success for so long? Yes, that's true, and that is why you should keep watching this video so that you may avoid these blogging mistakes at any cost. Hey digital learners, Rahul here from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and in this video I am going to share 5 blogging mistakes you must avoid at any cost. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon. That way you won't miss any future updates. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1 blogging mistake I see newbie bloggers making is not creating a professional WordPress blog. Usually they start with free blogging platforms like Blogspot, because when starting out, it's quite tempting to think that it's not worth investing in a blog. Maybe because they are just starting out, they aren't making any money, or they just want to test things out. I get it, it's human nature. I myself started with Blogspot powered by Google, but later when I realized that my free blog lacks many powerful functionalities, I had to switch to self-hosted WordPress. There is nothing wrong with making a switch from free to professional WordPress blog, but when you do this, you end up losing your backlink juice that you gained over time by working hard on your free blog. Sure, if you know the technical aspects of SEO, you can retain that link juice. But keep in mind, you need to start over again from scratch and invest time in learning the working of new blogging platform. So why not save time by choosing self-hosted WordPress in the beginning? That is why I recommend you to invest in a custom domain and quality hosting server. By the way, if you want to learn how to start a blog from scratch and turn it into a cash pumping asset, check out my 7 days free mini course by visiting bloggingmasterycourse.com. Blogging mistake number 2 is wasting time in getting a fancy blog design. I see many new bloggers making this mistake. They spend days and weeks in getting a design that's similar to the blog they like reading. And you know what? You don't even need a fancy blog with custom design and lots of plugins. Get any popular themes like Genesis and start blogging, because no one cares how attractive blog design you have. What everyone cares is how effective your blog content is. So choose any functional design and get started blogging, because there are more crucial things to do than wasting time in figuring out the best possible design. And third blogging mistake I see new bloggers making when starting a new blog is getting worried about blog traffic, conversion and revenue. By saying this, I don't mean you shouldn't care about your blog traffic, revenue or business growth. Rather, I mean you shouldn't be obsessed about this. Checking your blog traffic stats and analytics once in a while is okay, but getting worried about your blog growth, especially in the beginning, is not a good idea, because you need to understand that it takes some time to build authority and get blog traffic. So rather than thinking much about this, keep your focus on creating high quality content that is SEO optimized as well as helpful for your blog readers. Fourth blogging mistake you must avoid when starting a new blog is not knowing your monetization strategy. Most bloggers start a blog with the mindset of earning passive income from blogging, but they chase after every monetization strategy like display ads, affiliate links, selling digital products and things like that. But they don't know the right strategy to make money from blogging. For example, if your goal is to earn passive income from a blog, then display ads like Google AdSense is not the best monetization strategy for this. You should consider using affiliate marketing or selling your own products to make it really huge revenue. If you need help in choosing the right monetization model for your blog, then check out this blog post on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. Last but not the least, in fact the most crucial one, not building an email list. And I see every new blogger making this mistake when starting a new blog. I myself made this mistake earlier and I still regret it. One of my blogs was getting over 1 million visitors per month. Many people suggested me to start collecting emails from my blog visitors. But since I am an SEO guy who knows how to make Google search algorithms favor me, I was more concerned about increasing blog traffic than retaining my existing traffic. In other words, my blog was leaking huge blog traffic and I was still putting all my efforts into bringing more visitors to my blog. If you are making this blogging mistake, please be informed that Google, Facebook or any other platform's algorithm will not always remain the same. Therefore, start collecting emails of people who visit your blog from the very first day. That way you won't lose any visitor that you acquired from your hard work. And if you need my personal support in setting up your blog for email list building, leave a comment below or visit our official Facebook group for quick support. Well, these are the top 5 blogging mistakes you must avoid when starting a new blog. By the way, if you are new to the online business thing, download my free ebook by heading over to affiliatesalesmastery.com. I'll also leave a link in the description below. And if you are watching this on Instagram, you will find all the links in my bio. Before I go, question of the day. Are you making any of these blogging mistakes? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. That way you can help more people learn. If you have any question, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative, and feel proud to be #digital learner.